Welcome back from the break. I know it's Monday, but let's get right to it and talk about wine. We sat down with wine expert Jason DeLeo to find out what is the best way to pair wine and food. Aruba is an island with many restaurants. It's truly a culinary experience. Wine is a significant role in food and dining. So what is the exact rule of thumb when it comes to food and wine?
I think the biggest thing is to be open. There's many articles you can say and many readings that say this wine must go with this wine must go with that, but I think it's better that you just open your mind and let your taste buds take you to the next level.
As a representative of Wente Vineyards, Mr. DeLeo knows a lot about all kinds of wines. He is mostly specialized in Chardonnays, which in his opinion is a very versatile refreshment.
Wente has 4 different Chardonnays. As you see here is their Morning Fog, is their estate grown. They also have a winery in the Riva Ranch, which is Monterey, which is 2 hours south of the Livermore Valley, which is their estate grown. Then they have an M3, which is another estate grown, 100% from Livermore Valley. And they also have one more wine from Eric Wente's special small lot, which is the unoaked 100% stainless steel. So there's many pairings you can do. If you want to have an entree, you can do a light, nice tuna tataki or a tuna tartare will go nice with the Chardonnay. If you're thinking of a main course, a nice fresh grilled fish, a poached fish with nice grilled vegetables.
The owner of Arion Wine Company, Hovert van der Hout, explains that it's not always about following strict rules or following what the experts tell you, but you should just go ahead and experience many types of wines to decide which suits you best.
Educating the public about wine, like Hovert said and we've been talking about, it's the experience of picking up a bottle every day, go to the supermarket, sometimes not try the same thing over and over again, experience new things. One day have a Riesling, one day have a Sauvignon Blanc, one day have a Pinot Noir, one day have a French Pinot Noir, and just kind of say, what's my favorite kind of wine? You can't read articles and stories by wine professionals and say, okay, this is the wine you should drink. It's the wine that you like and your taste buds like that will make you happy.